Here we are again, doing what we love to do. We are on Edmonds Path, heading up to Mt Eisenhower, part of the presidential range. About 7.1 miles out and back. That's the plan. Should be some good views. Partly cloudy. It's supposed to cloud up. We're hoping we can get up there before the clouds roll in. So, a little bit of sun. Here we go, me and the wingman. Epic view time. For a small water crossing. Really hear the water moving underneath. Whoa. Whew. I want to fall on that. Hubbubs. Success. Another cool little opening. Catch my breath. Look at that ice. Whew. Alright. We're about 4,400 feet. We gotta get up to 4,800 feet. So I think this last part is pretty steep. We'll be there shortly. Views. That's Jefferson, Clay, Washington, Mount Monroe, and we will be going up Eisenhower, which is the one right next to these guys. Getting some really nice views in and out. Almost there. Almost at the turn to go up the mountain, up to the peak. There's the wingman. Hey, Bubs. Hey, Chewie. Oh, good boy. Oh, yeah. Well, I've been seeing this for the last half hour on and off. How's it going?
Good. Hi. Hi there.
Say hi, Bubba.
He doesn't look like he's breathing hard. What's your problem?
He makes it look easy. I think 4 legs is better than 2.
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, pup. How's it going?
Great.
Yeah, I gotta get those epic views from his point of view. Oh, we're heading up. We might be bogged in with the cloud. Not sure yet. Might get to see one side of the Prezzies. We'll see. Okay, just getting close to the peak, but I think we're gonna be We're gonna be bogged in with this undercast. Can't see a thing. As you guys saw on the way up, the views were awesome, but now we're in a cloud. I mean, I'm alright. I've been here before, but it would have been nice to get the 360 views from the peak, and that's just not gonna happen today. We're coming up on the peak, and I think we're gonna get lucky on the other side here with views. Oh, I feel so good. I didn't do this for nothing. Nothing. Okay, we're just descending down Eisenhower. We really got lucky. Really got lucky up there with the views. The clouds just keep coming, but whew. No complaining today. I thought I was gonna be complaining. The old man was with us on that one. Opened up the skies for us. So it's a great hike. Great hike. yeah, so I had a guy up there that had a drone. His name was Ethan, so I gave him my number and asked if I could use his shots in my video. So hopefully you guys got to see that. So everyone can thank Ethan for that, and that's definitely going to be my next toy for hiking is getting a drone. That'll be my next gift to myself. That's it. Just continuing. Little tidbit of the day. Just making our way down Eisenhower. Really great day to hike. There's zero wind up here. I kind of wish I did Mount Washington today. It's on my bucket list to do a winter hike up to Mount Washington, and I think today was the day, but that's okay. There'll be plenty more good days in the winter. We got till March to do that, so that's about it on this hike. It took us about a little over 2 hours to get to the peak, and it'll probably take us a little over an hour to get back to the truck. We double time it down. Just look at this, it's just beautiful. Just the blanket of snow on the trees. It just makes a really tunnel-like paths on the trail. It's really beautiful. Our hike is almost coming to an end. We've been descending now for, I don't know, about 45 minutes. A little more than halfway done. Great hike. Like I said, it's a little over 7 miles. Nothing too steep. It wasn't too bad. Edmunds path or Crawford path, pretty easy pass, 4,000 footer wise. Doesn't disappoint, especially today. We got lucky. We got lucky with the clouds and the wind. Wind died right out, pushed the clouds out, and we had epic views of the peak. I'm sure, as you guys could see, when we were almost to the top of the peak, it was whiteout conditions. I could barely see the dog in front of me. I took a couple of cool pics of that. I thought we were going to be bogged in. You know, as soon as we got to the peak, I could see the whole other side. It was just beautiful. It was the old man was looking down and opened them clouds up for us and gave us some epic views for sure. So glad I got to spread some of my dad's ashes at the peak. It's that's my thing. Every peak is leave some of my old man there. Just make it extra special. That's about it for this hike. So for me and Chewie, happy trails. We'll see you next time. Be safe out there and have fun.